A very pleasant morning to all my dear little children. Welcome back to English Online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I hope you all had a great time during Christmas, isn't it, children? Yes. So let's get back to our studies. Let's start our today's session. Today we'll discuss Lesson 2 Prepositions of Term 2 from our Excellence in English Grammar textbook, page number 96. Children, right now I am making use of English language to communicate with you, isn't it? I am making use of English language to speak to you. I am making use of words to speak to you, isn't it? So language is made up of words. Each and every word in a sentence has certain functions. It has something to do in a sentence. It has some usages in the sentence. As we human beings also have certain duties to do, isn't it? Yes. Children have certain duties like they have to obey the elders, they have to study their lessons regularly and their activities goes on. Even the parents have certain duties. They have to earn money for their livelihood. They have to take care of the family. Their activities also goes on. There are many more activities that they have to do. Yes. Similarly, words in a language or words in a sentence also have certain functions. So each and every word, according to their functions, they are divided into different groups. They are divided into different categories. So the parts of speech are the categories of words based on their functions in the sentences. So what are parts of speech, children? Parts of speech are the categories of words. So here we are going to learn about a part of speech. Okay, we are going to learn one of the parts of the speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Which are the 8 parts of speech, children? Which are they? They are the nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions and interjections. We have already learned 4 parts of speech. Which are they? We have learned nouns, we have learned verbs, adverbs and adjectives. So today we will study the 5th parts of speech, that is the prepositions. So parts of speech are the categories of words that are grouped according to their functions in a sentences. Okay, children? So let's get on to our topic, prepositions. Let us start with some examples. Okay. For example, he sat on the bench. Tom stood at the gate. The key is in my bag. See, children, I have stressed some words in these sentences. I have underlined these words too. Okay. The words like on, in and at. These 3 words have certain functions, have something to do in the sentences. What are they actually doing in these sentences, children? On, in and at. What are they doing in these sentences? Look at the first sentence, children. He sat on the bench. So I have stressed the word on. So on has certain function to do in the sentence. Let's see what on has to do. So on, the word on, it brings a relationship. It brings a connection between 2 words. Which 2 words, children? Between the word he is a pronoun. Between the word he and the word bench. Bench is a noun. Okay. So the word on, it brings a relationship or it shows a relationship between the word he and the word bench. Between the pronoun he and the noun bench. Let's look at the next example. Tom stood at the gate. So in this sentence, the word at, it shows a relationship between the noun Tom and the noun gate. So this word at is bringing or it shows a relationship or it shows a connection between the words Tom and gate. In the third sentence, in shows a relationship between the word key and bag, between the noun key and the noun bag. Okay, children? So I hope you understood what are the function of these words in the sentences. Now, what are these words called? On, in and at. What are these words called? These words are called prepositions. Okay, children? These words are called prepositions. So what is a preposition? The word which shows a relationship of a noun or a pronoun with another words in a sentence is called preposition. What is a preposition? Preposition is a word which shows the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with another words in a sentence. Just as we told in the examples, he sat on the bench. Here the word on or the preposition on, it shows a relationship between the pronoun he and the other word. Which is the other word? It is bench. It is a noun. So it brings a relationship between two words in a sentence. It brings or it shows a relationship between noun or a pronoun with another words in a sentence. So I hope you understood what is a preposition, isn't it? So from the name itself, from the name preposition itself, you get the meaning. What do you mean by pre? Pre means before and position means place. So preposition is a word that is placed before the nouns. So how is it placed in a sentence? It is placed before the nouns in a sentence. It comes before a nouns in the sentences. Okay. So that is the meaning of the word prepositions. So I hope you understood what is a preposition. Children, which are the common prepositions that we make use of in our daily conversations? For example, on, in, at, from, by, of, up, down, below, under, above, across, around, behind, beside. All these are prepositions that we make use in our daily conversation. There are many more prepositions. We'll discuss the type of prepositions in our next session. Okay. Now let's look at the textual exercises. Let's do the textual exercises. So all of you open your textbook, take page number 96. So children, in page number 96, you can see a picture. So you have to complete the sentences that is given below the picture using prepositions, using suitable prepositions. Let's try to do it together. Okay. So all of you open your textbook, take page number 96. Lesson 2, preposition, the word which shows relationship of a noun or a pronoun with another word is called a preposition. Let's observe the picture and fill in the blanks with suitable words, with suitable prepositions, children. Okay. The first one, the children are standing dash a line. So you have to look at the picture and fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. So which preposition will you use there, children? You can use in. The children are standing in a line. Okay. That's how you fill in the blanks. See the next one. The conductor is standing dash the bus. Where is the conductor standing, children? The conductor is standing near the bus. Next one. Third one. The teacher is standing dash the students. Where is the position of the teacher, children? Preposition shows the position of words. The teacher is standing behind the students. What do you mean by behind? Behind means at the back of. Let me tell you another example. I hung the coat behind the door. Means I hung my dress at the back of the door. Okay. Next, the cars are parked dash the school. So where is the cars parked, children? It is parked outside the school. So outside is the preposition. Next one, the children have bags dash their shoulders. So how will you answer it, children? The children have bags on their shoulders. I hope you understood how to fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Now let's do the next one also, exercise B. Again, you have to look at the picture and describe it using the prepositions. They have given some list of prepositions, a preposition bank. We have to select suitable prepositions from the preposition bank and describe the picture given above. Okay. So let's look at the picture and try to describe. The first sentence, the dog is sitting under the table. Here it shows the position of the dog. Where the dog is sitting. It is sitting under the table. Under is the preposition. The next one, the cup is lying on the table. Here which is the preposition, children? It is on. It shows the position of the cup. Where is the cup? The third sentence is, the bird is flying over the boy's head. Over is a preposition in this sentence. Over means above or higher than something else. Okay. Next one. The ducks are swimming in the ponds. So where is the duck swimming? It is in the ponds. Okay. So in is a preposition. Children, I hope you understood how to do the textual exercises. So complete the textual exercises. I have attached the notes. So copy down the notes, children. Okay. And we will discuss the type of preposition in our next session. So it's time to wind up our session. That's all for today. See you in the next class.